Hello everyone, today I'm walking you through exactly how to register and fully set up a MyFreeScore account, especially if you're coming from M2 Trucker Z. This is a step-by-step tutorial using real screenshots. Let's get your account set up quickly and safely. Initially, you will pay $1 for your 7-day trial. With this, you can see your credit report from all 3 major credit bureaus and print them out if you wish. After the 7-day trial, the subscription will be $29.90 per month. You will want to keep this subscription so your credit report can import into M2 Trucker Z and generate your attack letters to dispute errors on your credit. Step 1. Starting with M2 Trucker Z. If you just created the account through M2 Trucker Z, you should already be recognized. You'll see a login box asking for email and password. Use the exact same credentials you created when you set up your account. You can also switch the language, ENSP toggle. Choose English or Spanish as needed. Click the big blue Login button. If you are new, click Register. If you need help with registering at M2 Trucker Z, you can watch the tutorial M2 Trucker Z tutorial for registering and setting up your account at smoothshiftcreditsolutions.com on the resources page. Step 2. M2 Trucker Z. Get your credit report. You will see 2 places you can get your credit report from. Click on one of the marked areas. This will take you to MyFreeScore Now, where you will need to register to get your 3 bureau credit reports. Step 3. MyFreeScore Now. Login or registration. If you are registering for the first time, you will need to fill in your details. First name, middle name, last name, date of birth, email, phone, password, and complete any CAPTCHA or verification as shown on the image, then click Next. Step 4. MyFreeScore Now. Login and welcome back. Now enter your login information that you set up for your MyFreeScore Now account. If you look at the bottom of the page, you will see an area called Need Help. Here you will see a phone number and email address where you can contact someone with any questions or problems you may be having. Step 5. MyFreeScore Now. Link will take you to your credit reports. Here you will see a pop-up on the page. Go to the bottom of the pop-up and click on Take me to my credit report and scores. Step 6. Verify email. They'll send a 6-digit code to the email you registered with. Go check your inbox and spam/junk folder. Enter the 6 digits into the boxes on screen, then click the yellow Verify Email button. If you don't see it, click Resend OTP. Step 7. Verify your address. Now they verify your identity and address. Double-check that your street address, city, state, zip code are correct. They pre-fill this sometimes. Then enter your full social security number, or ITN if applicable, in the masked field. This is used only for identity verification with the credit bureaus, standard for these services. Click the yellow Next button when everything looks correct. Step 8. Payment, subscription setup. Here comes the payment section. This is where the membership actually activates. There is a $1 upfront activation fee for a 7-day trial, then $29.90 per month after the 7-day trial. You will want to keep your subscription with MyFreeScore Now, because the credit reports are imported into M2 Trucker Z to create your attack letters that are mailed to the credit bureaus to dispute any errors. You can see at the top right when your next billing will be for your subscription. Now enter your cardholder name, credit card number, select the expiration month and year, enter the CVV and billing zip code. Next, read and check both agreement boxes, FCRA authorization plus terms/policies. Then click the yellow Continue to Next Step button. Step 9. Social Security verification and confirmation. After submitting payment info, you'll see a quick Social Security verification completed pop-up with a green check mark. Click OK. This means your identity was successfully matched. Step 10. Account setup. Complete. Success! You'll see a thank you. Your free upgrade is complete screen. It shows your name, active status, next billing date, usually 7 days out, monthly price, and features list. Click the big button at the bottom, Take me to credit report and scores. Step 11. Welcome, home screen. You will see a pop-up. Welcome to My Free Score Now, showing your account is active and ready to go. Also a short description about what we offer. Step 12, Home Screen. At the top of the page, you will see your credit overview. This shows you your credit score from all 3 bureaus. Below that, you can see the details that go into each credit report from each bureau. You just need to click on the credit report you are interested in checking out. You will see credit alerts at the top right, and before the bottom you will see factors affecting your scores. You can see them from each bureau. The bottom is where you can manage your security settings for your account, notifications, subscription, and billing. Step 13. Account Summary. Here you can see the donut charts showing positive and negative accounts, as well as open and closed accounts per each bureau. Step 14. Credit Report. This is where you can see each credit report next to each other for comparison. It shows you the number of accounts, total credit limit, total available credit, credit utilization, inquiries, public records, average age of accounts, followed by a breakdown from each bureau. Step 15. Set your score goal. Here you can use the Optimal Path AI tool. Slide to set your target score from 616 to 700 plus, choose a time frame, 3 to 12 months, and it generates monthly tasks. Step 16. My Subscription. This is where you can see your plan details, next billing date, and change billing date. Now let's go to part 2 that will walk you through the process of how to generate your client token and import your My Free Score Now credit report. We look forward to seeing you in part 2 to see how to generate your client token and import it into M2 Trucker Z. See you there.